It's a big area this time, though. Georgia all the way to Connecticut that has the potential to see some flooding, downpours, hail, and damaging winds to begin the work week. Take you out live to Washington, D.C. We've got a lot to talk about today here. We've got more in the way of storms for the nation's capital, and that's a big problem as we move through your Monday. And some of the worst storms, by the way, into D.C. today.
Yeah, where we have that high risk. In fact, here are the cities that are in the high risk today: Harrisburg, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Greensboro, North Carolina. The biggest impacts are going to be the widespread damaging winds. I do think there will be hail, and I do anticipate a few to several tornadoes on the ground with this later on today. Again, a high risk issued by the forecasting team here at AccuWeather. Here's why. This is a vigorous upper level low for this time of the year. It should not be this strong and this far south this time of the year. And you'll note, Christina was talking about Arkansas. Here's the warning shot for later today, because we have a piece of energy. You can see this on the water vapor loop. You can see the moisture in the white and the dry air in the yellow. Here's our piece of energy coming across downstate Illinois. That's why you see all the white across Arkansas. That system is going to rotate to the north and east. That's what's going to produce the severe weather, because all of the ingredients are going to be available for that. We begin with warmth. Look at the surge of warmth coming northward from Atlanta, Charlotte, Richmond, temperatures in the 90s. Now, New York City, it's a steamy 80 degrees, but the point of that is it is steamy. We have the warmth, and then the dew point temperatures. What do we look for? What's the threshold for severe weather? 60-degree dew point. We're in the 70s, so it is exceptionally steamy. So we have the warmth, we have the humidity, and then we have that energy, and we're going to have some thunderstorms, no doubt about it. Already some thunderstorms weakening toward the Pittsburgh area. Not much going on in Atlanta, but already 200 flights have been canceled at Atlanta's Hartsfield International Airport. And I suspect because of what happened yesterday, you could see the long lines as there were several hours of thunderstorms at the ATL causing the delays yesterday, and that's having ripple effects for today. No, not much right now. But later on today, watch what happens. We're going to watch an area of thunderstorms grow. Here it comes. That area around Pittsburgh continues to move east. And then by middle part of the afternoon, we start getting isolated severe weather, central parts of Pennsylvania and in the western parts of Virginia. One line of thunderstorms along I-81 in western Virginia. And then here's your second line that gets going anywhere from southwestern Virginia back toward Tennessee. And then you have this solid line. There it is, from Philadelphia, just east of Washington, D.C., all the way down into the upstate of South Carolina by 6 o'clock. This is where we're going to start getting the widespread damaging winds. There could be isolated tornadoes with this. The thunderstorms move off the Virginia coast by about 9 o'clock, but not until 11 o'clock across coastal parts of North Carolina. All forms of severe weather possible. As you go up in color, you increase the probability of severe weather. I think the main threat is going to be widespread damaging winds. There will be tornadoes on the ground, and there will be flash flooding as well.